Question 3. The table above shows shipping charges for an online retailer that sells sporting goods. There's a linear relationship between the shipping charge and the weight of the merchandise. Which function can be used to determine the total shipping charge, f of x, in dollars for an order, for an order with a merchandise weight of x pounds? So it says that it is about linear equation, linear relationship. So when you talk about linear relationship, we are looking at y equals to mx plus b, where we need to find the m and the b. To find the m and the b, we need to deal with these numbers. Okay, but the thing is, you take a look at these figures. Take a look at these numbers. You have 0.94, you have 0.89, you have 0.79, 0.59. They are all decimal. Okay, so if we use these numbers to do the math to find the m and b, I would say it is you will feel uncomfortable. As we know, this is a no calculated section. So we can use a calculator to deal with these numbers. So I would suggest you, the students, to do it in another way, which is I would suggest you to plot the linear equation, plot the line on a graph, right? So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, and I'm going to label the x-axis with the merchandise weight. Start from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. And for the y-axis, I'm going to put the shipping charges for the y-axis, and I'm going to do 2 units for $10, and you're going to have 20, and you have 30 here, and then you have 40 and 50. Okay, so now according to the table, right, the merchandise weight 5 is 16.94. For the 5 we have 16.94. 5, 16.94. This is 15. 16.94 is close to 17, so it's somewhere here, right? I put a dot here. And for the 10 we have 21.89, which is about 22. So 10 is 22, 10, 22, this is 25. So the 22 will be somewhere here. Okay. And for the 20, we have 31.79, which is close to 32. 20 is close to 32. 32 is somewhere here. Okay, right. And finally we have 40 with 51.59. 40 with 51 and 59. So we go all the way up here. 51.59, about 52. So we go like this, the 40. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, I'm going to connect the points to form a straight line, and let's see. All right. Okay, now you can see that the y-intercept is right here. That is the y-intercept, and it is like somewhere in between 10 and 12. All right, so, and let's just take a look at the all the multiple choices that we have here, which one will look like it? All right, I would say I'm going to cross out the A and the C because A and C does not show the y-intercept. So A and C can be ruled out. So the only possible answers would be B or D. Okay, now, and the B has a y-intercept that says 11.99, which is almost the same as what we have here. And for D, it says the y-intercept is 16.94, which is pretty far away from what we have for the y-intercept. So the only the only possible answer for this question would just be B. The answer is B, definitely. Okay, so this is the way we solve it. All right, do not use the math to deal with these numbers because these numbers contain too many decimal, very tedious, very complicated. Okay, all right, thank you, that's it.